We live in a world that never sleeps, where production and consumption are the priority, where anger and fury fill hearts, where familial trauma takes shape. In a world where wounds are a silent companion, where addiction grips hearts, a beacon of hope emerges. The Clean Conference, with speakers Ben Lundquist, Ben Bennett from Josh McDowell Ministries and the Resolution Movement, Heather Kolb from Pure Desire Ministries, David Sedlacek from Into His Rest Ministries, with keynote speakers, breakout sessions, and one-of-a-kind non-alcoholic drinks from Clean Bar. The Clean Conference presents From Within. Trauma and addiction come in all forms. Recognize it, learn about it, gain tools to overcome it.